My topic is social media marketing in detail explained, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Social media marketing is a form of digital marketing that involves using social media platforms to connect with a target audience, build brand awareness, promote products or services, and engage with followers. It has become an integral part of modern marketing strategies due to the widespread popularity and usage of social media platforms. Key aspects of social media marketing include social media platforms. There are various social media platforms, each with its unique characteristics and audience demographics. Some of the popular platforms include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, Snapchat, and TikTok. Businesses choose the platforms that align with their target audience and marketing goals. Content creation and sharing. Social media marketing relies heavily on creating engaging and shareable content. This content can include text posts, images, videos, infographics, stories, and live broadcasts. The content should be tailored to the platform and the preferences of the target audience. Building and engaging with the community. Social media allows businesses to build a community of followers, fans, and customers. Engaging with the audience through comments, replies, and direct messages fosters a sense of connection and trust. Paid advertising. Social media platforms offer paid advertising options that allow businesses to reach a larger, targeted audience beyond their followers. These ads can be highly targeted based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and other criteria. Influencer marketing. Partnering with influencers, who have a significant and engaged following, can be an effective way to promote products or services and tap into new audiences. Social listening and monitoring. Monitoring social media conversations and mentions about the brand or relevant topics helps businesses understand their audience better and respond to feedback and inquiries promptly. Social media analytics. Analyzing data and metrics from social media campaigns provides insights into the effectiveness of marketing efforts. Metrics like reach, engagement, click-through rates, and conversions help in optimizing future campaigns. Social media contests and giveaways. Organizing contests and giveaways can help increase brand visibility, engagement, and follower growth. Benefits of social media marketing. Brand awareness. Social media allows businesses to reach a vast audience and increase brand visibility, especially when content is shared and liked by users. Audience engagement. Social media fosters two-way communication with the audience, leading to higher engagement levels and stronger customer relationships. Targeted advertising. Social media platforms offer advanced targeting options, ensuring ads are shown to the most relevant audience, increasing the chances of conversion. Customer support. Customers can reach out to businesses directly through social media for inquiries, support, or feedback. Insights and analytics. Social media platforms provide valuable data and analytics that can be used to refine marketing strategies and understand customer behavior. However, social media marketing also requires careful planning, consistent effort, and a deep understanding of the target audience to be effective. Building a strong social media presence takes time and consistent engagement, but when done well, it can yield significant benefits for businesses. Social media marketing is a subset of digital marketing that focuses on using social media platforms to promote products, services, or brands and engage with a target audience. Social media has become an integral part of people's lives, providing businesses with opportunities to connect with their customers, build brand awareness, drive website traffic, and generate leads. Here are some key aspects of social media marketing. Choosing the right platforms. There are numerous social media platforms available, and it's essential to identify the platforms where your target audience is most active. Common platforms include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and Snapchat. Each platform has its own user demographics, content formats, and engagement patterns. Creating a social media strategy. A well-defined social media strategy helps guide your efforts and ensure consistency across platforms. It should outline your goals, target audience, content strategy, posting frequency, and key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure success. Engaging content creation. Developing high-quality and engaging content is crucial for social media success. Content can include text, images, videos, infographics, polls, quizzes, and live streams. It should align with your brand identity and be tailored to the preferences of each platform's users. Community management. Social media is a two-way communication channel. Engaging with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and mentions helps build relationships, demonstrate excellent customer service, and foster brand loyalty. Monitoring conversations and addressing customer concerns promptly is essential. Paid advertising. Most social media platforms offer paid advertising options that allow businesses to reach a broader audience and target specific demographics, interests, behaviors, or locations. Paid ads can appear in users' feeds, stories, or as sponsored content. Influencer collaborations. Partnering with influencers who have a significant following in your niche can help expand your reach and build credibility. Influencers can promote your products or services through sponsored content, reviews, or giveaways. Social listening and analytics. Monitoring conversations, mentions, and hashtags related to your brand or industry provides valuable insights into audience sentiment and preferences. Social media analytics tools help measure the success of your campaigns, track engagement metrics, and identify areas for improvement. Community building and advocacy. Encouraging user-generated content, running contests, or creating online communities can foster brand loyalty and turn customers into brand advocates. Positive reviews, testimonials, and user-generated content can be leveraged to enhance your brand's reputation. Staying updated and adapting. Social media platforms and trends evolve rapidly, so it's crucial to stay updated on new features, algorithm changes, and industry best practices. Being adaptable and adjusting your strategies based on analytics and user feedback is essential for long-term success. Successful social media marketing requires a deep understanding of your target audience, creativity in content creation, consistent engagement, and a data-driven approach to optimization. When done effectively, social media marketing can be a powerful tool for building brand awareness, driving traffic, generating leads, and fostering customer loyalty. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to promote a product or service and reach a target audience. It involves creating and sharing content on social media networks like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to engage with and attract customers. The goal of social media marketing is to build brand awareness, increase website traffic, generate leads, and ultimately drive sales. This is done by leveraging social media platforms' ability to reach a large number of people and targeting specific demographics and interests. Social media marketing strategies can include creating and sharing regular posts, running paid advertisements, engaging with followers through comments and direct messages, and collaborating with influencers or other brands for promotion. Benefits of social media marketing include increased brand visibility, enhanced customer engagement and loyalty, improved customer insights, cost-effectiveness compared to traditional advertising methods, and the ability to measure and analyze campaign performance. However, it's important for businesses to have a well-defined social media marketing strategy that aligns with their overall marketing goals and objectives. This includes identifying the target audience, selecting the appropriate social media platforms, creating relevant and engaging content, and regularly analyzing and adapting the strategy based. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.